Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I will make a quick tutorial and that is skin retouch, or you can say it skin airbrush. This is really awesome for perfect skin and I have made the action for you. You just download it and use it. I will provide this action for you. You can get it from description. So let's start. At first we will just copy the background layer, just simply Ctrl and J. Now we will clean the big spot like this one. Just simply go to spot healing brush and keep this thing as like it is and click on all sample layer. Okay, just simply remove this spot. This is really easy. You don't make your brush too large, it will not good finally. So we have done our initial job almost. Now again I will copy of this layer. Now I will run my action. There is smooth skin by FRAMINGSTOry. Okay. Now we'll pick our brush from here and pick a soft one. As it is the black one, choose the foreground color as white. Okay, you can make the opacity 100 or less than 100. Just brush on it. This is really cool. If you go to other skin beside the face, make sure your opacity is less than 50 to get the better result. So now again I come to face, I make it 100. So we have got the perfect skin. This is called the airbrush effect. Let's see before and after how much we have done. This is really cool. In a few minutes we can get this sort of effect. And I will merge this layer. Just simply Shift Alt Ctrl and E. So we have merged this layer. If you think still you have some big spot, just go to spot healing brush and erase it like this one. Okay, we can do something more here. Just go to burn tool and brush on here on lips, and from the sharpen tool brush on eye. I will in a minute I will show what I have done. Let's see. This is really cool. So finally we have done our all task. I will check before and after. This is really dramatic change. In a few minutes I will provide the detail of this action. You can get the detailed tutorial of this action or total workflow. Just have a look on that video. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.